Hey everybody, it's Ben here. I'm at Briggs Stratton in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. They have kind of a museum here with a lot of cool things in it. Old tractors, really early cars. And one thing I saw I was kind of blown away by, because I know of this thing and now I got to see it in person, is the hybrid that they built. So right behind me, this bright yellow car, it is a hybrid built with a Briggs Stratton engine and Johnson Controls batteries. And the best part of it, wait for it, it's a dually. It's got 6 wheels. This is a very cool looking car. It's kind of in a dark back corner over here, so I took some photos as best I could. It's dark under the car, so I can't really see exactly how the motors are connected. I'll hit the web, see if I can find some details on this vehicle for you, and put some links in the description. Otherwise, enjoy taking a look at this car. Looks to me like a dozen 6-volt batteries back there. And it's just a 2-seater. Back seat's been converted to a cargo area. And pretty basic on the interior, not a whole lot to see. An amp gauge, few switches, big red e-stop down there. Very simple car. I hope you like all these weird little footnotes in automotive history as much as I do. And until next time, stay charged up.